In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can install the SSM agents on a Ubuntu machine. So, SSM agents provide us the multiple customs logs. For example, if you want to see the memory utilization of any Linux and Windows machines, that was not by default shown by the AWS matrix sections. So for that, you have to install the SSM agents on your instances, whether it's a Linux or Windows. Once you install the SSM agents, you can manage your machine through the system managers in AWS. And not only that, you can do the many tasks. You can patch the systems, you can update the configurations remotely on the systems. Now, one thing I did in the past, that I update or activate my Windows licensing key through the SSM agent. So these types of tasks you can do once you install the SSM agents on a machines. So there are different ways to install the SSM agents on a Windows machines, and there is also a different configuration if your Windows machine is behind the proxy. That I will cover in the next video tutorial. But today I'm going to talk about how you can install on a Debian server, basically on Ubuntu. You can also, there are different ways to install on Amazon Linux. So let's start. So first you need to connect your Windows, your Ubuntu machines, which I have already did. I put in sessions. Then you need to run this following command: temp SSM. Once you then cd into this folder. Okay. Now for x86/64 instance, we need to download the SSM agents from the link. So I have already have the link, so I'm going to paste this. Let's give a few seconds to download this file. Okay, now do the ls. So here is my file. Now what I need to do, so just run this command: sudo dpkg I imagine ssm agent.dev. Okay, now let's start this and let's see the status of this. Sudo systemctl status amazon -ssm -agent. So you can see that this is active and running. If you don't see the active and running here, what you need to do, first enable this service, enable, and then you need to restart or start it. So since my service is already started, so I'm not going to start this one. Okay, so now if you see the status, it is showing the active and running. So this is how we install the SSM agents on Ubuntu machine. Okay, so now what you need to do after just installing the SSM agent, you have to check that your EC2 instance, whether it's a Windows Linux, should have a proper IAM role. Now if you see here, we do not have any role assigned to this. So I've created already IAM role, but what you need to do, you need to create a role and let the EC2 instance assume that role, which allow them to connect to the SSM manager. So I'm just going to go to action, instance setting, and security, and then modify the IAM role. So this was I have created. So you need to create this. You can find the documentation on AWS side that how to create the role for the SSM agents and adapt the IAM role. Okay. Okay, now go to the AWS System Manager and go to the inventory. And here you can see this is the instance which I have added around recently. So see, now it is showing in my inventory list. If it is not show there, just do one thing. Just restart your SSM agent once and wait for a second, and this will show you there. Okay, once you have this, now you need to go to the run command section, and then you need to click the run command, and here you need to search AWS configured AWS package. This is our document, so just click this one. So leave this document version 1. Command parameter should be the installed. Installation type, leave it as it is. Now name. Now here is very important thing. You need to have the same name which I am pasting here. Amazon CloudWatch Agent. Right. Version, leave it. Target, specify the instances or choose the instance manually. So I'm going to choose the instance manually. So this was my instance. Okay. Now I'm not going to enable the S3 bucket for this. And then just run this command. Wait for a while. It is now showing in progress. Okay, here you can see the status is success, right? So we did not get any error, everything works perfectly. Now the second thing you need to do is, okay, now the next thing you need to create a configuration files. So that configuration file define that how much resources you want to capture. So for that you need to run this command, which is sudo opt AWS CloudWatch agent bin Amazon CloudWatch agent config result. Okay, so that just type this full command on your command prompt, and then where's my OS is in Linux. Second, I need to choose my the instance type, whether it's EC2 on premise or just EC2. Planning to run the agent. Okay, root 1. We want to turn as the demo. Yes. Port 1, collect interval for the demo. I said 10 seconds. For option, the monitor matrix. Okay, do you want to monitor any host matrix, CPU memory, etc.? Yes. Per code. I say yes. 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 I go for the basic. So I'm going to choose all the default options. This item. I will say yes, I am satisfied. Import to the migration. Do you have any existing CloudWatch log agents? And do not have log files. No, I don't want. Store. Yes. So Linux. Yes. Episode 1. Yes. So this is credential, so you need to configure this credential using the AWS configuration command, right? Which should the users or this user should have the rights to put this file into the SSM management. Okay. Now what we need to do is we just go to our where is my parameters tool? This is my parameters tool. So this one. Okay. So now we need to push this configurations files to our EC2 instance, and once we successfully push this configuration file, after that we can monitor the memory utilization also. So the important thing is here you need to copy this parameter name. This is very important. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Now what I need to do, I have to go again my run command, then go to the run command again and search here for American CloudWatch dash manage, or just enter like this and choose this one, AWS CloudWatch manage agent. Okay, now the document versions, leave it as a default. Action should be the configure, and mode is EC2, right? Optional configuration source should be the SSM. Okay, and then type here the name of our parameter name, and this should be exactly the same. Okay, yes, and leave it everything is as it is. Choose the instance manually. This was our instance. Deselect the S3 buckets and then run the command. Just wait for a while. So here you can see after running the command is showing that it is success, right? Okay, now the next thing is that we need to go to the CloudWatch and let's see that we can capture the memory and CPU utilization of this instance. So let's do that. So here is my CloudWatch default dashboard. I have already added one CPU utilizations. Now let's see that we will get the memory utilizations report here or not. So I need to go and add widgets, line, matrix. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to go CW agent and go to the instance. Right now it is not showing there. Just give a few. Okay, so this is it. So the disk uses POC. Now let's do this one. Okay, let's see this one. It is not showing right now here. Not showing here. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. So here if we go to this, I filter this with the instance ID, and if I go this, here you can see I have a memory use percentage. So I select this one and then create a widget. So right now it is just showing a dot here. The memory use percentage is 6.09. So as the time passes, it will show all the memory utilizations report. Now if I go there, I can change the color also and then update the result. Now this is showing 3 hours. If I go 1 hour, so it just begins. So let's give, we can so just change this name also. So this is how we can use the SSM agent to see the memory utilization of any Linux system. The same thing we can do for the Windows system. So in the next video tutorial I will show you how we can see in a Windows system. So I hope you like this video tutorial. Please like, subscribe my channel and share this video to the other users who want to know the memory utilizations of their EC2 instance on AWS cloud. I hope you like this video. Once again, thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.